So sabi niya po, paliwanag na dito that the Manila is taking care of the crisis by him um, starting an executive order. Meron pong executive order number 7 series of 2026 na ito po ay for 50% reduction of fuel consumption ng gobyerno ng Maynila. At EO Executive Order 8 series of 2026, ito naman po yung pagtatalaga sa ating mga kawani ng gobyerno na magtrabaho na lang ng 4 na araw sa isang linggo. At ang Biyernes po ay magiging off day ng mga manggagawa. And sabi niya po dito that Executive Order number 8 was copied from the presidential order na no Friday work from President Bongbong Marcos. Kung pag-iisipan po natin, this two executive order is somewhat makikita natin is a push from the local government to see how the government of Manila is working.